Good morning, dear students. Hope all doing good. Now, open your book. Open page number 14. Chapter 1. Gulliver reaches the land of Lilliput. Let us study about the hardships that Lemuel Gulliver had to face during his lifetime as a sailor and as a doctor. Let us read. This is not a story. This is the life of a person called Lemuel Gulliver. Gulliver was born into a big family of a small estate owner in the town of Nottinghamshire. Gulliver had 2 younger and 2 elder brothers. Gulliver was a brilliant boy. At the age of 14, he started his education at Cambridge. He continued studying till the age of 17, but due to financial difficulties, he had to discontinue his studies. यहाँ हम गुलिवर के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. गुलिवर जो था वो उसके 2 छोटे और 2 बड़े भाई थे और ही वॉज अ वेरी ब्रिलियंट स्टूडेंट. वो बहुत अच्छा था पढ़ने में और एट द एज ऑफ 14 ही स्टार्ट हिज एजुकेशन एट कैम्ब्रिज. तो वहाँ पर उसने 17 ईयर्स तक ही स्टडीड टिल द एज ऑफ 17. बट ड्यू टू द फाइनेंशियल डिफ़िकल्टीज़ उसको काफ़ी फाइनेंशियल डिफ़िकल्टीज़ थी, इसलिए ही हैड टू डिसकंटिन्यू स्टडीज़. वहाँ उनको स्टडीज़ को डिसकंटिन्यू करना पड़ा. सब्सिक्वेंटली गुलिवर मूव टू लंडन वेयर ही जॉइन अ सर्जन जेम्स बेट्स. Early during his training with the surgeon, he learned mathematics and navigation, and this created a yearning. Yearning means desire for traveling in the heart of this boy. वहाँ जब ये मूव टू लंदन, उन्होंने एक सर्जन जिनका नाम जेम्स बेट्स था उनको ज्वाइन किया और ड्यूरिंग हिज ट्रेनिंग विद द सर्जन उन्होंने मैथमेटिक्स और नेविगेशन भी सीखा और उनको बहुत डिज़ायर ही विश्ड फॉर ट्रैवलिंग. एंड आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग हिज ट्रेनिंग गुलिवर स्टडीड फिजिक्स एट लेडन. Gulliver was a doctor. He was doctor by profession, yet he studied physics because he knew that one day he would travel the whole world. उनको मालूम था एक दिन वो पूरी वर्ल्ड का ट्रैवल करेंगे एंड द नॉलेज ऑफ फिजिक्स वुड बी इंडिस्पेंसिबल टू हिम, विल बी नेसेसरी फॉर हिम, बहुत उनको ज़रूरत रहेगी. द यर्निंग, द डिज़ायर फॉर ट्रैवल मेड गुलिवर टेक द जॉब ऑफ अ सर्जन ऑन अ शिप. ही स्पेंट मोर देन 3 years ऑन द शिप. 3 साल उन्होंने शिप पर निकाले. अपॉन रिटर्निंग ही वेंट एंड मेट हिज टीचर जेम्स. आते वक्त वो अपने टीचर जेम्स से मिले हु हेल्प्ड हिम सेटल इन लंदन. दे स्टार्टेड बिजनेस टुगेदर. सो ही स्टार्टेड हिज बिजनेस विद हिज टीचर जेम्स. विद द passage of time, Gulliver was married to Mary Burton. Gulliver married Mary Burton, the second daughter of Edmund Burton. One day, James Bates passed away. एक दिन जेम्स बेट जो थे उनकी डेथ हो गई. एंड विद हिज पासिंग द प्रैक्टिस ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड पासिंग अवे. हिज बिजनेस बिगैन टू फेल when his patron dies. उनके पेट्रन जो उनके साथ वाले मिस्टर जेम्स थे उनकी डेथ के साथ उनके बिजनेस को भी काफ़ी नुकसान हुआ. Gulliver was never mean for the land. As his heart was in traveling, he was always interested in traveling. He talked to his wife and closed the practice. और उन्होंने अपनी डॉक्टर की जो प्रैक्टिस थी उसको बंद किया. And he took to the sea once more. He worked as a surgeon on 2 ships for half a dozen years. 2 शिप पे उन्होंने काम किया. He made many trips to East and West Indies. बहुत उन्होंने ईस्ट और वेस्ट इंडीज़ की ट्रिप्स की. The time at sea proved to be quite boring. This was especially true for a doctor such as Gulliver. Though he was a doctor by profession, but sometimes it proved to be quite boring for him. There was nothing new to do or see. Gulliver was feeling bored, so he started reading. वो बहुत बोर हो जाते थे शिप पर, तो उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने रीडिंग करना स्टार्ट किया. Started reading. He read the works of the best modern and ancient authors. दिस स्टिल लेफ्ट अ लॉट ऑफ फ्री टाइम, उसके बाद भी उनके पास बहुत फ्री टाइम बच जाया करता था. सो गिलिवर स्टार्टेड लर्निंग अबाउट द बिहेवियर एंड लैंग्वेजेस ऑफ द डिफरेंट पीपल दैट ही मीट. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने जो लोग अलग अलग लोगों से वो मिलते थे उनके बिहेवियर और उनके लैंग्वेज के बारे में पढ़ना शुरू किया. His yearning for travel was not satisfied by staying on the ship. Gulliver wanted to see the world, but all he was seeing was a vast expanse of water because he was at sea. So the brief stoppers at the ports did not satisfy his wanderlust. Wanderlust is a strong desire to travel. उनकी बहुत जो डिज़ायर था वो ट्रैवलिंग का था. तो जहाँ पर द ब्रीफ स्टॉपेजेस एट द पोर्ट्स डिड नॉट सेटिस्फाई हिज wanderlust. Rather, it filled him with more disquiet. He was not satisfied at all. He soon became tired of the sea and decided to stay back home. So now he was tired of the sea, and he decided to stay back home. Once again, he started his practice because he was a doctor, but this time outside London. Not in London, but outside London. Alas, it was not meant to be, and this practice also failed because he was not interested in his profession of doctor, so it also failed. Gulliver waited for 3 whole years trying to make his practice work. 3 साल तक उन्होंने कोशिश की. Tired and fed up, he accepted an offer from Captain William Richard, master of the ship named Antelope, who was making a voyage to the South Seas. On the fateful day of 4th May 1699, Gulliver returned to the sea. So on 4th May 1699, Gulliver again returned to the sea. During the passage towards East Indies, a strong and violent storm struck the ship. तो द फूड ऑन द शिप वॉज स्पॉइल्ड. उससे क्या हुआ, जितना भी खाना था शिप पर वो खराब हो गया. हाफ द क्रू ऑफ द शिप डाइड ओइंग टू द स्टॉर्म and the shortage of food. The other half were left in pathetic, that is miserable situation. After days of drifting, they saw a rock. Rock signified land. They tried to approach the rock, but the violent waves caused the ship to hit the rock. The ship was destroyed. Few of the survivors were able to get on a lifeboat. They rowed towards the direction of the assumed land. They did it for 3 days without food and water. 3 दिन तक बिना खाने और पानी के वो रोड करते गए. They did it. In the end, the boat was overturned by strong winds and currents, and all of Gulliver's companions died. सारे जो गुलिवर के companions थे, साथ वाले थे, उनकी death हो गई. Gulliver was the only one left alive. He was not willing to give up. With the luck and his unwillingness to give up, he found himself drifting towards an island. Drifting means moving towards an island. Exhausted, he lay on the shore. वो इतना थक गया था कि वो जाकर he lay on the shore, but soon rose himself to look for other people on the island. Gulliver soon realized that the island was totally inhabited. He did not see any sign of people or houses. वहाँ पर उनको कोई लोग या मकान कुछ नहीं दिखाई दे रहा था. He had no clue where he was stranded. He was so tired of the exertions that he instantly fell asleep right on the beach because he was so tired. तो वो उसको वहाँ नींद आ गई बीच पर. When he woke up, he started to find himself tied with the weakest of threads and surrounded by thousands of men and women of tiniest size. जब वो सो के उठे तो वो अपने आप को देखा, उनको किसी ने थ्रेड से बांधा हुआ था और thousands of men and women जो थे बहुत छोटे छोटे वो उनके आसपास खड़े हुए थे. Tinier than his index finger, उनकी जो index finger थी उससे भी छोटे. They were the Lilliputians. Lilliputians are the short people. I think you have understood the chapter. If there is any problem, you can ask me. Okay, thank you.